Got a new arrival today at Westport Auto Center. It's a stunning 1977 Pontiac GTO Convertible, frame off, rotisserie restored to the highest level. This is an unbelievable restoration. I mean, unbelievable restoration. Power disc brakes, power steering, factory air, his and Hurst shifter, power top, power antenna. Just an absolute stunning beast of a GTO. All the chrome trim bright work is just absolutely magnificent. Please like, share the video, subscribe to our channel, help us grow. Leave your feedback and your comments below. You'll find about 100 pictures at www.westportautocenter.com. Again, that's www.westportautocenter.com. If you'd like to fly in and check this vehicle out in person, please forward us your itinerary. Fly into St. Louis International, St. Louis Lambert. It's the same airport. I'm more than happy to pick you up, take you in one of our 3 warehouses, take this car out for a drive, put up on a lift, make sure it's a good fit. You do not need to have all the money to buy these cars. Usually 10% covers it with good credit, get you financing, and drive the car of your dreams. This car is absolutely amazing. Did find a teeny chip there and a teeny chip there, which we're going to touch up. Then there was one other teeny chip there. Again, we've got the correct paint to touch that up. We just got it in. Make sure you look at the pictures below. The underneath of this car is like the top of the car. You could shave off the underneath of the car. It's just absolutely stunning. Correct wheels. Just absolutely amazing. We're in Fenton, Missouri, which is the suburbs of St. Louis, about 25 minutes from downtown where the arch is, about 25 to 30 minutes from the international airport, depending on traffic. Again, we're more than happy to pick you up. If you can't make it and want to send a third-party inspector out, we welcome them as well. We'll accommodate them. Just give us a heads up when they're coming and we'll make any of their needs work. Car is just amazing. Love the color combination. It does have a hidden Bluetooth radio in the back with controls in the center console, remote. All your seat belts. Just a very nice car. Don't mind my camera, but there's the owner's manual in there. The jams. You want to grab the keys to the car for me, please? Here you look at the chrome on this. Great body lines. Gotta get lucky with the first key. Go. There we go. All right. It's got the little clips that go over the trim right there. Really easy to put on. Got Velcro right here. Just gives you a little cleaner look than the snaps up there. Still have the snaps there. Get the snap right over there. There we go. And it just slips right up. Get this up. Stand there on the side. Watch it. There, real quickly. There's your gauges, your tack. That's the power top. That's the power antenna. Your fuel gauge, your lights, wipers, horn. And it does have the his and Hurst shifter. Again, please subscribe to the channel, share the video, leave your comments, feedback below. You'll find around 100 pictures at www.westportautocenter.com. That's www.westportautocenter.com. We're in Fenton, Missouri, which is the suburbs of St. Louis. Just give us a heads up if you'd like to come in. Again, we pick you up at the airport. I'm going to talk to somebody in person. My name's Mark. 314-346-6039. It's 314-346-6039. If you go to our website, if you're interested in financing, there's a link above. You can get right on it. There's a link take you to Woodside Credit, JJ Best, Collective Car Lending. So we use several of them. Haggerty Insurance is on there. So it's pretty much a one-stop shop. You can get anything you need, get the car, get the financing, and get the insurance, all off our website. St. Louis, Missouri, 314-346-6039.